Hi everyone, I am Zola Nene and I'm excited to be back with another Heritage Month recipe from Checkers. Today I'm drawing a little from my Durbanite roots and making a wonderful Spatchcock Curry Chutney Chicken. So first up, let's make the marinade for our Spatchcock chicken. In this bowl, I have some of the Simple Truth lactose-free yogurt. Blended with it is fresh coriander blended in with the yogurt. So I'm going to add some Simple Truth chutney, some curry powder, a pinch of salt. Oh, perfect marinade for chicken. So now let's spatchcock the chicken. I know that a lot of people get very nervous about butchering their own chicken, but I'm here to tell you that it's very, very simple, and I'm going to show you how. Turn your chicken over onto its breast side, and all you're going to do is take your scissors and cut on either side of the backbone. Right, so use your scissors to just crunch through the bone. Like I said, cutting on either side of the spine. So this backbone, please don't throw it away. Keep them, pop them into your freezer, and once you have enough collected, you can roast these and make a delicious stock or broth. So please don't waste these. So all you got to do is turn it over. And here on the breast, you just want to break that breastbone, put your weight on it. Oh, there we go. And that's it. That's as easy as it is to spatchcock a chicken. Now it's time to add this marinade to the chicken. Okay, so make sure that you rub this marinade all over. To go along with our spatchcock chicken, I will be serving a grilled nectarine and feta salad. The first thing we need to do is get the nectarines prepared. So these wonderful fresh nectarines available at Checkers. Just cut them in half, give it a twist, and then in 2 quarters. Then these are just going to go onto the braai and get the beautiful grill marks and that smoky braai flavor. Let's get this chicken onto the braai. I always go skin side down first. So chicken goes in, skin side down so we can get it nice and crispy. Then on go our nectarines as well. Want to get a good char on these. Lid on, and I'm going to leave that to cook for a few minutes before turning over and leaving to cook for the remainder of the time. Our chicken and nectarines are now braaied. Time to assemble the salad. First onto the platter, some fresh rocket. Then on with our nectarines, lovely and grilled, lots of that braai flavor. Some delicious salty feta to counteract that sweetness. Then on top of that, some of these seeds and nuts. Lots of crunch as well. To finish off our meal, all we need is a squeeze of lime on top of the chicken and the salad, and then we're ready to serve. And there it is, our delicious Spatchcock Curry Chutney Chicken served with our grilled nectarine salad. Enjoy. And if you'd like to give this recipe a try, head over to checkers.co.za or the recipe is on your screen now.